Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am here with my assistant, Miss Kinsley Wren. Wait, can you wave everybody?
Can you get your hair out of your face?
Can you wave at everybody? Wave at them.
It's Mad Scientist KK!
Mad Scientist KK. And today we are making crazy slime. This is a DIY kit that glows in the dark, so I guess it's a green. The ages are 6+, but we are under somewhat of adult supervision here, if I can call myself an adult. So first off, we will need a bowl. And next, here's what comes in this package. We got a little measuring cup, a little wooden stick, I'm guessing a stir stick, a small spoon. We have a little bit of glow powder, the borax slime activator, and of course, glue. And here's our instruction sheet. And we'll start off one at a time. So here's our required material. The slime activator, the borax. Hey,
She said stop the video. Bubba,
grab your
go to the side.
Grab your
If you're going to be an assistant, you can't block the camera.
You can't take all the limelight in them.
Assistant. Assist.
Let me read how to do it first. Okay, we've got all of our ingredients laid out. We have the glow powder, we have the borax activator, of course the glue, we got some warm water, and some mixing utensils.
Okay.
Alright, so first we're going to take this, we're going to get a little warm water in here to mix the boron activator.
Borax.
Borax. So we're going to pour that in there. Alright, so KK, let's start with this. Just to mix it up a little bit. And this is the activator.
You spill it on me.
I'll spill it on you. We'll wash your hands in a minute. Leave it there. Don't touch it. Alright. Now we're gonna pour the glue into the bowl. 1 part glue, 2 parts water. So let's just go ahead and pour all that in there.
Okay.
Alright, so there's the glue, and we're just gonna rough guess the water. This ain't really pouring that well, so there, we're gonna pour it all. Yeah, go ahead and pour that in there, KK. Alright, now we got all that in here, we'll add this slime powder. This neon glow slime powder, and we'll let KK mix it. Daddy has no fingernails, so. Alright. You got your stick, KK? Alright, start stirring it, mixing it really good. There we go. Here, let me Daddy help you a little bit. It's turning green, ain't it? Yeah.
Mom's having camera difficulties.
It's not working.
Yeah.
And I will say the instructions on this crazy slime was not very well written. You know, start with the spoon a little bit. There you go.
It looks like it's trying to get chunky.
It's trying to chunk up some.
You might have killed it with the water.
I could have killed it a little bit with the water, but hold on, KK. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. You like your mama. Just pour a little bit of that water out of it.
Oh, you're making a mess.
You're making a mess, which is fine. I've wet my pants. It doesn't take a nuclear engineer to make this, but it sure helps.
Does it?
But anyway, looks like we got some slime here. And yeah, I definitely killed it with the water, but we do got some nice slime here. It's all one piece, and you probably can tear it in pieces and put it back together. So here, knock yourself out there, girl. That's gooey, and it does look like it's kind of that neon fluorescent where it should glow in the dark here if we had some if we didn't have some lights on. So
Was that a good mad scientist treat?
if we had a better mad scientist leading this project, then
A couple of Igors.
oh, so that's actually pretty good. I think there's easier ways to make this. I think you can probably just go straight to get one of the big boxes of borax and probably the Elmer's glue and kind of do this on kind of a large scale more than just a small scale here.
Probably helps if you don't get your slime kit at the Dollar Tree too.
Yeah, this is a Dollar Tree slime kit. It ain't that great. It's very easy to make if you have the proper directions, and it didn't give you the right directions in this as far as how much water to add per glue, and it just it could have been a lot better. But
Killed my slime.
I killed your slime.
Yeah.
All right, I got two of them blaming me. This is a freak show, all right. Let's put it back together now. See if we can put it back together.
Yeah.
So take out all the pieces. And if this ain't a good, we'll come back later and make another video, and I'll actually do some good homework and research before then, and
real supplies.
We'll get the real supplies to make it. See, it will go back together, so that's kind of good. But just for a dollar store, I mean,
she's happy enough.
She's happy enough. So if that gives her 10 minutes of entertainment, well worth $1.
It's giving me 10 minutes of entertainment.
I've wet my britches here with all the excess water I've gotten, so you'll have that sometimes, I reckon. As long as she's happy, it don't really matter, does it?
Nope.
We'll come back next time and we'll make some real slime and try to make the kind of the, I guess what people, the Nickelodeon-esque slime where you just get slimed all the time. We'll see if we can make some of that and make some good stuff and see, hopefully it turns out a whole lot better than this. I mean, you kind of get what you pay for here. It's a cheap dollar store slime kit, and it looks like a cheap dollar store slime kit. But that's all for today. Signing off from our household.